Internavi, a navigation system that designs driving experiences with the power of driving data. The roots of this navigation system go back more than 20 years ago to Formula One. 1989 F1 Japanese Grand Prix qualifying, Ayrton Senna set the world's fastest lap, supported by driving data. This project started from a single sheet of paper. On it was 1 minute 38 seconds 41 of Senna's driving data recorded back in the day. The data was digitally restored and every aspect of his lap analyzed. The engine sound of Senna's F1 machine McLaren Honda MP45 was recreated by combining Senna's driving data collected back in 1989 with various engine tones of MP45s recorded today. Numerous sound and light simulations and light test runs were conducted. Hundreds of networked speakers and LED lights were placed along the 5,807-meter-long Suzuka circuit. We invited motorsports engineers, journalists, and photographers who were there 24 years ago, along with Senna's fans, to the circuit stand. Then the recreated engine sound was played according to the driving data, bringing back Senna's fastest lap from 24 years ago. Right after its launch, this project became a sensation and was covered by media from Japan, as well as Brazil, Europe, the US, and other regions, with zero PR or media budget. After 24 years, Ayrton Senna is once again in pole position together with Honda.